In Python, you can make the built-in len function work on your objects. The built-in len function works on some objects, but not on others. Only things that have a length work with the len function. Lists, sets, dictionaries, strings, and most data structures in Python have a length, but numbers don't. When making a class in Python, you can control whether instances of that class have a length. Python's built-in len function calls the dunder len method on the object you give it. So if that object has a dunder len method, it has a length. If it doesn't have a dunder len method, Python raises a type error instead. Python's random module has a function which can randomly select an item from a given sequence. This choice function only works on objects that can be indexed and have a length. This class has an initializer method and a dunder get item method. That dunder get item method allows instances of this class to be indexed using square brackets. This isn't quite enough to allow these forgiving indexer objects to be used with the random.choice function. If we pass a forgiving indexer object to the random.choice function, we get an error. We get an error because these objects don't have a length, which random.choice requires. They don't work with the built-in len function. To support the built-in len function, we can add a dunder len method to this class. So now instances of this class have a length, and they also work with random.choice. You can make your objects work with the built-in len function by adding a dunder len method to them. You'll pretty much only ever add a dunder len method if you're making a custom data structure, like a sequence or a mapping.